In this video we will learn how to create text glitch effect. First I will use the smoke video clip. Second step is to add a glitch audio. Now I will resize the video to the size of audio. The next step is to add a title. I will be using the default title, but you can use any title you want. Next step is to resize the title to the size of video clip. Add the text to it. You can also change the font and size. Now to add glitch to the text I will use the sample color black. I will cut it in the small part. Next step is to copy it 10 to 11 times with equal spacing. Now we will add effect to the black colors. The effect I used is chromatic aberration. Resize the effect to the size of black sample colors. Now let's see how it look like. This is how you can create text glitch effect. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you've liked this video. For more videos like this, just subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.